Hello, Josh Ackerman from IT Services. Today we're going to be going over just a quick few tips that you need to do in your Zoom meetings if you're planning on using a whiteboard. I already have my Zoom meeting launched here, so you could add participants and have your whole class ready to go. But if you want to write on a whiteboard, I'm just going to write up here real quick. Notice it's backwards. That's not what we want. So what you need to do is down here next to your camera is this little up arrow. We're going to click that and go to Video Settings. And in this Video tab, there's two things here next to My Video. One is Enable HD and the other one is Mirror My Video. You are actually going to want to click on Enable HD. This will give you a little bit more of that high definition detail that you're going to need. And two, you want to make sure Mirror My Video is unclicked. Now, you can see here that my writing is going the proper way. So again, the first thing you want to do is enable HD. And number two, you want to uncheck that Mirror My Image option. If you do both of those options, you should be set up to use a Zoom meeting and a whiteboard behind you, and your writing will be facing the right way. Now, if you do not have a whiteboard at home, this could work similar if you just say put a big piece of paper up here behind you and write on that paper. You're going to want to do these same options. If you have any questions on how to do this, please don't hesitate to contact an instructional technology specialist or the CSB SJU IT Services Help Desk.